Working on the SS at AutoZone. Gonna give me some of these. Basically, quick video. If you wanna, when the automatic headlights come on and when it's dark and everything, if you want both of these to show, you want those and those to cut on at the same time. What you're gonna need to do is come under here and mess with these. For sure, purple with purple. Take both the purples because the purples are the fog lights. So you're gonna take the purple, link all four of them together, and then splice them up. Only the purple. The reason I did it like this, because I bought the car and the guy cut all these wires and stuff, and I was doing some playing around. So when the headlights come on when it's dark, ouch, they all gonna come on every time. They all gonna come on. So for whatever advice, just go ahead and splice those purples together, and they turn that fog light on for you and everything like that. So comment if you have any questions and go from there. But if you don't want to mess with your wires, just go ahead and push the button, that turns the fog light on too, so from inside the car.